This is topic 12-3, factoring trinomials again. Because I am comfortable with tic-tac-toe, this is the way I'm going to do it. These signs are different. The larger looking one is going to be a negative. Signs are different means I'm subtracting. This is my multiply, this is my add. My A is 1, my B is negative 30, my C, or A, AC, or C, oh Lord, C and AC, negative 30, and I want factors of 30 to get negative 13. So factors of 30 is 1 and 30, which gives me 29. 2 and 15 gives me 13. Larger one's going to be negative, so it's negative 15 and 2. 1, the only factors of 1 are 1 and 1. 1 times what is negative 15? Negative 15. And 1 times what is 2? 2. And so it is x plus 2 and x minus 15. If I check x squared, there it is. Negative 30, there it is. 2x and negative 15x is negative 13x. I changed mine, I changed mine to x's because s's look like 5s. A is 5, C is 5, factors A times C is 25, factors of 25 that get negative 3. My factors of 25, I'm adding, they're the same. I'm adding, and the larger one's a negative. So I have 1 and 25, 5 and 5. That gives me negative 26. That gives me negative 10. Nothing will give me negative 3. That is prime. A, C, AC, 28, 3. That means signs are different, which means I'm subtracting to get 28. That's 1 and 28, 2 and 14, 4 and 7. This is 27. This is 12. This is 3. Sign of bigger is positive, so that's a 7 and a negative 4. 2 is 2 and 1. A 2 can't go there because it doesn't go into 7, so that's the 1 and that's the 2. That's a negative 2 and that's a 7. That is x minus 2 times 2x plus 7. $10, 7, 70 to get negative 19. I'm adding, they're both negative. Signs are the same, both negative. 70 is 1 and 70, 2 and 35. 5 and 14, there it is, negative 19, negative 14, 10 and 1, 10 doesn't go into either of those, 2 and 5, oh, would help if I wrote the right thing. This should be a negative 5. Sorry. To give me negative 19. So this is a 5 and a negative 1 and a 2 and a negative 7. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. Negative 7 times negative 1 is positive. There we have 5x minus 7 and 2x minus 1. Yes, I know that they're wise. I always change my variables to x's because of my sloppy writing.